elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most beloved features of any home, the covered porch. A covered porch design refers to an outdoor architectural extension of the home that is protected by a roof. Unlike a simple deck or patio, a covered porch acts as a transition zone between the indoors and the outdoors. It is a permanent structure that provides a sheltered space for relaxation, social gatherings, or simply enjoying the view of your neighborhood while staying protected from the elements. Whether it's a wraparound farmhouse porch or a cozy modern entrance, the design focus is on blending comfort with the natural beauty of your surroundings. Having a covered porch design offers a multitude of benefits that go far beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, it significantly extends your usable living space, providing an extra room where you can enjoy fresh air regardless of the weather. Whether it's a scorching summer afternoon or a gentle rainy evening, the roof provides essential shade and shelter, making your outdoor area functional year-round. Beyond comfort, a well-designed covered porch dramatically boosts your home's curb appeal and market value. It creates a welcoming first impression for guests and provides a structural focal point that adds character to your home's architecture. Additionally, it protects your front door and entryway from sun damage and moisture, potentially saving you money on maintenance in the long run. To make your covered porch design truly stand out, you need to treat it with the same decorative attention you give your interior rooms. Start by establishing a clear color palette that complements your home's exterior siding. Neutral tones with pops of seasonal color often work best. Layering is the secret to a high-end look. Use outdoor rugs to define seating areas and add a sense of warmth underfoot. Incorporate a variety of textures through throw pillows, blankets, and woven baskets to make the space feel inviting. Don't forget the vertical space. Hanging plants, wall-mounted lanterns, or even outdoor artwork can draw the eye upward and make the porch feel larger. Finally, consider the symmetry of your layout. Placing matching planters or chairs on either side of the door creates a balanced, professional look that instantly elevates the entire facade. Choosing the right items for your covered porch is crucial for balancing durability with style. The foundation of any great porch is comfortable seating. Think weather-resistant wicker sets, classic wooden Adirondack chairs, or even a deep-seated outdoor sofa. A porch swing or a daybed is another top-tier item that adds a nostalgic, relaxing vibe. For functionality, include side tables or a coffee table made from sturdy materials like teak or metal to hold drinks and books. Lighting is equally important. A combination of overhead fans with integrated lights, wall scone, and even battery-operated candles or string lights can create a magical ambience after sunset. To finish the look, invest in high-quality oversized planters for greenery and a stylish, durable doormat that reflects your personality while keeping the dirt outside. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best covered porch design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the ultimate outdoor chef's retreat. This design features a sophisticated stone-encased built-in grill and stainless steel prep area integrated directly into the porch. Complemented by natural wood ceilings and classic Adirondack chairs with vibrant botanical pillows, it's the perfect blend of a functional kitchen and a cozy relaxation zone. 2. Modern minimalist white farmhouse porch. Clean lines and a monochromatic palette define this stunning entrance. The white board and batten siding paired with sleek black-framed windows and modern wall lanterns creates a crisp, contemporary look, while the oversized dark planters add a touch of organic contrast. 3. Coastal grandeur with a rustic swing. A spacious, light-filled porch that utilizes high ceilings and white columns to create an airy atmosphere. The highlight is the hanging daybed swing with orange accent pillows, perfect for afternoon naps, paired with a unique cart-style coffee table for a touch of vintage charm. 4. Craftsman-style gray shingle sanctuary. This porch showcases beautiful architectural details like tapered wooden columns and a warm wood plank ceiling. The gray shingle siding provides a neutral backdrop for lush, colorful floral arrangements in large urns, creating a sophisticated and welcoming entryway. 5. Elegant cottage with lush greenery. A masterclass in curb appeal. This design features a gently curved roofline and slim columns. The focus here is on the heavy integration of nature, with large rectangular planters and overflowing flower beds that make the porch feel like a seamless part of the garden. 6. Traditional colonial porch with blue ceiling. Embracing a classic Southern tradition, this porch features a haint blue ceiling which is said to ward off spirits and keep the space feeling cool. The rich dark wood flooring contrasts beautifully with crisp white rocking chairs, offering a timeless and peaceful spot for morning coffee. 7. Tropical wicker lounge with integrated cooling. Designed for warmer climates, this porch features dual ceiling fans and a comfortable wicker seating arrangement. The warm amber lighting and the use of natural textures like seagrass and rattan create an inviting resort-like environment right at home. 8. Brick estate porch with water feature. This expansive covered area utilizes the warmth of red brick pillars to frame a luxurious lounge space. The addition of a stone water fountain nearby adds a soothing auditory element, making this porch a true multisensory escape from the daily grind. 9. Stately stone and slate entrance. Luxury is the theme here, with a gorgeous slate tile floor and heavy stone pillar bases. The dark wood ceiling with recessed lighting and a classic hanging lantern provides a high-end, secure feeling to the front of the home, emphasizing architectural strength. 10. Quaint symmetrical cottage porch. This design proves that you don't need a massive space to make a statement. Dual hanging swings on either side of the door create perfect symmetry, while vibrant yellow and purple flowers in tiered pots add a cheerful, welcoming energy to the compact white siding. Transforming your outdoor space with a covered porch design is one of the best investments you can make for your home. It's not just about adding a roof. It's about creating a lifestyle where you can enjoy the beauty of nature from the comfort of your own home. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of a porch swing or the sleek look of modern lighting, there is a design out there for every taste and budget. We hope these ideas have inspired you to take your home's exterior to the next level and create a space where memories can be made for years to come. If you enjoyed this tour of the top 10 covered porch designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home inspiration every week. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.